Alright, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to pick up with some multivariable calculus. We're going to be talking about tangent planes. So in this particular case we're asked to find the equation of the plane to the given paraboloid. Z is equal to 32 minus 3x squared minus 4y squared at the point 2, 1, 16. Okay, so all we have to do is write down the equation for, or how we obtain the equation for the tangent plane. So remember, if I'm given z is equal to some function f of x comma y, well, if I want to get the tangent plane, that's just going to be z is equal to f sub x, which is the partial of f with respect to x of your point a and b, and then we'll multiply that by x minus a, and then it'll be plus f sub y, which is the partial of f with respect to y, of a comma b multiplied by y minus b, and then it's going to be plus f of a comma b. And that's how we obtain our equation of the plane. So let's just start knocking some of this stuff out and we'll go from there. So let's begin with the partial derivatives. So we need f sub x, which again is just a partial of f with respect to x. So we just go up here and we take the partial with respect to x. So that means we're treating all other variables as a constant. And so we get minus 6x, and then we need f sub y. Same thing, that's the partial of f with respect to y. So in this case, we go back up to our function, take the partial with respect to y. This time we're treating x as a constant. So in this case, we'll simply get negative 8y when we take the partial. Let's go ahead and get f of a comma b. So that would be f of 2 comma 1 basically. And we just stick it in for our function. So if we stick it in, we'll get 32 minus 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 1 squared. And I think that's going to give us 16. But I will, of course, check to make sure that I'm correct on that. And make sure you're doing this just to check your answers. Make sure you have the right answers. So I'm just substituting in just to check my work. Minus 4, we got 1, that's also being squared, and yeah, we get 16. So it's always good to check your arithmetic. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to find f sub x of a comma b and f sub y of a comma b. So let's begin with f sub x a comma b, which would be f sub x 2 comma 1. And we just stick it in. Well, this will give me negative 12x, and we need f sub y of a comma b, which again is 2 comma 1, and in that case looks like we'll get negative 8. Okay. Now all we have to do now is just kind of substitute in for the equation of the plane. So this would be z is equal to negative 12 multiplied by x minus 2 minus 8 multiplied by y minus 1, and we'll add 16 to that. Now we need to expand everything out, so this would be negative 12x plus 24 minus 8y minus, no, it's going to be plus 8, sorry, and then plus 16. So we get 24 plus 8 plus 16, that's 48. So we would essentially end up having negative 12x minus 8y plus 48. So our final answer here for our equation of the plane, so for the equation of the plane, So our equation of the plane in this case is going to be z is equal to negative 12x minus 8y plus 48. So that's the equation of the plane. All right, so if you guys got any questions about it, let me know. But pretty straightforward exercise. So, all right, guys, I'll see y'all next time.